Hey guys, so I wanted to do a tutorial on this hairstyle that I posted, that I often post on my Instagram page. I haven't officially made a video for it, but I always post the hairstyle, so it's definitely time that I make a video. So for this hairstyle, it's usually one that I do on old hair or like flaky hair, or like just, it could be like a hairstyle that didn't turn out right, or it could be you could just be styling your hair that way because it's easy to dress up this hairstyle and dress it down. And it's also for when your hair gets old. So this style is very versatile. It can be, instead of doing a pineapple, this is the style that I now revert to. Let me just show y'all, because a bit was feeling herself. Oop, let me not put my card info on there. But a bit was feeling herself, so let me show y'all this little video of the hairstyle.
Baby putting on for the city, baby he the realest, baby probably got a couple million, baby having 4 or 5 killers, baby got.
So it's like a really cute little slick back open ponytail. It's not a tight pony, but yeah, it's just really cute. So I'm gonna show y'all how I do this hairstyle. It's actually really simple. So right now I'm doing it on fresh hair. I'm just gonna do it on fresh hair because I had to film a different hairstyle, and this was the results from this Softee Naturals Pure Shade Cream Curl Enhancer. So I just did a wash and go using it, and now I'm going to style my hair in the hairstyle. So what you're gonna need are your utensils to lay your hair down. So you need your brushes, you'll need your edge brushes, and then just a comb to do some simple parting. I have bobby pins as well. You can do the long ones and the small ones, whichever you prefer, whichever holds your hair better. You'll just need your favorite gel. So I'll be using my Wet Line gel, which is extremely low. Like, wow, like dumb low. Am I gonna be able to do this hairstyle? Anyways, just any of your favorite gel, and a stretched, super stretched scrunchie. So not this. Don't think you finna get this hairstyle with a super tight scrunchie. You need something stretched. Look at the difference. So I'm going to actually start on this side first, and all I'm gonna do is take my rat tail and just make a little part down to my ear. Just like that. So here's one part done. And the next part is going to be from here, from your part, all the way down to your ear. But you're only going to use, you're not going to do the part like back here. The part is going to be close, because you're not putting that, you're not swooping down that much hair. So I'll just show you guys. Alright, y'all see that? You don't need a lot at all. So for now, I'm going to take the rest of my hair and just put it back. So I've got this part and I've got this part. So now we're going to slick this down with gel, and we're also going to do the same thing on this side as well. And I'm just going to leave out a little cute little piece to hang down. So now I'm going to take my soft bristle brush and just smooth the gel and the product into my hair. Gonna get it nice and smooth. So just use your brushes and get your desired sleekness. Lay your edges down, do whatever. Alright, so once you got that, you're going to tuck it behind your ear. I got the product from my wash and go. I re-wet it, so now it's trying to show up, but doesn't matter. So slick it, and you're going to take the end and go underneath. So go underneath and bobby pin it. All right. So now for this side, I'm gonna leave out my little piece. And then I'm gonna gel this side down. Alright, so we got both sides slicked down, got our two little side pieces. And now I'm going to take out my scrunchie I used to hold this hair back. I'm going to take some gel and I'm going to lay the top of my hair this way, going towards the back. But not a lot, you don't need a lot of gel. Then you're just going to brush just a little bit, not too much. Very minimal, very minimal. We're not trying to slick this part down. The scrunchie is going to do that for us. We just want to make sure it lays and we don't have too many flyaways. So now I'm going to take my scrunchie. I'm going to get all the hair, even the hair in the bobby pins. And I'm going to put on my scrunchie. So when you put it on, of course, put your hair through and go all the way up. All the way up to the hair. Y'all see where I'm putting that? This is the scrunchie. This part is this way. This part is this way. The scrunchie's right here. Or the hair tie, I should say. And now I'm going to push it back. Alright, so when I put my scrunchie on, this is very important. When I put my scrunchie on, the bobby pins are behind the scrunchie right now. So they're not in front, they're behind it. Now, Make sure that your hair is nice and laid, because next you're just going to put your scarf on and then we're going to work on the back. So slick down the stuff that tried to pop up on you. Alright, so the hard part's out of the way. Now what I like to do, you can leave your hair like this and just be done. But what I like to do is I like to just go through my puff and add a little finger coil just to get those super popping curls in the back. So that's what I'm gonna do. So I just take my gel, or I'm gonna take what I use for the wash and go, the original wash and go, and just finger coil. And this will allow the back part of your hair to last longer as well. So you know the front is gonna last. Well, y'all know edges like to pop back up, but you know the front's gonna last. So just make sure, you know, if you're going somewhere humid or whatever, finger coils will definitely hold up a lot better than like a poof in the back or like a wash and go. So you can do this on your old braid outs, twist outs, whatever. This is now my go-to old hairstyle. Old hair hairstyle instead of doing pineapples. So I'm going to start on this side, and I'll just put this in a, just wrap it up just like that, nothing serious, and just so I know which part is done being coiled and which I have left to do. So you can make the finger coils as big as or as small as you would like.